In this video, we will be learning to evaluate the information gathered from the user interview through the user research methods called as single case analysis and cross case analysis. But before we proceed to understand what each of these processes mean, let's take the travel app example again. After going through the research papers, I got to know that users usually plan their trips in three stages, which are pre trip, during trip, and post trip. This is why I made sure that while interviewing my participants, I asked them questions to know more about these processes. Once I finished my interviews, I prepared a table as shown on the screen with all of my questions in the first column and my insights or summary in the second column. I made seven such tables for each of the seven participants I had interviewed. To fill the insights column, I listened to each of the participants' interview recordings, and since I took interviews through a normal phone call, then I noted down the summary of each of the point of the answers and points as shown here. But since I was on a normal phone call, I couldn't observe the user behavior, which is why I couldn't mention that here. But ideally, noting the same would provide us with better realization. So, this is all about single case analysis. To summarize, we can say that single case analysis involves deeply studying and analyzing the data of a single participant or user. So, this approach is valuable for gaining in depth understanding of an individual's experience, behaviors, and perspectives. This is all about single case analysis, and in the next video, we will be talking about cross case analysis. Thank you.